Hey guys, so today I wanted to talk a little bit about web scraping. Here we have this website screener.in, and we have this stock in Fossil, and we want to get the stock price. Simple enough. So usually what most people do is they would open the developer tools, then click this arrow thingy, and then click on that element, and then like start searching for the element, and then like copy XHR and copy styles, but like this is the wrong way to do it. The first thing that you should be doing is going to the network tab and then making sure this recording button is on and clicking on this fetch button. So it will only show you requests that are made from the JavaScript. So the requests that are made from the client side. So now refresh the page and you should see a bunch of requests. So let's see. This one looks interesting. So let's check this response for all of the requests. So as you can see, some of these requests are HTML, but this one is actually JSON. So our data here is 1304. Let's try searching for it. 1304. So as you can see, here it is. This is today's date, uh, 5 June 2023, and this is the closing price for Infosys Limited. So if we go to headers here, we can copy this URL and then open it in a new tab, and voila, here we have our JSON data. Simple enough. Have a good one.